Okay, and I have one box to unpack for you so far today, but hopefully we'll have a few more. So I am going to turn this camera down so we can take a little look at what came today. And it's kind of a special box. So here we go. This is a very special box. So for those of you that are interested in or do Romanian Point Lace, what you may not know is that we lost Sylvia Marariu a few years ago, but luckily her niece has all of the files for her books, so she has been able to continue to print and distribute the books by Sylvia so that those people who would like to learn Romanian Point Lace can continue to do so. So I was able to get just a few of her beginner's course, let's see, her intermediate and advanced course, and one of her Christmas ornament books as well. And that way we can continue to spread Sylvia's knowledge and love of Romanian Point Lace, even though she's no longer with us. So much like we distribute books for, Elena Dixon too, or we offer for sale books by Elena Dixon, who's no longer with us. Luckily, we are still able to get these Romanian Point Lace books. So hopefully I'll be back on in a little while and we can open a few more boxes. And if you are looking for these items, they will be on our website very, very soon. Okay friends, you asked me to go ahead and do another unboxing video, so I'm going to show you what came today and will be going up on the website very soon. And I'm actually going to be packing a few orders today as well, so thank you. But here we go. First up is my box from Handy Hands, and I did go ahead and slice the tape on both the boxes, and the Handy Hands box just kind of popped open, but here we go. So here's my Handy Hands box. And I decided it would be fun to get some of the satin balls in. You know, it's the time of year when we can start making our Christmas ornaments. So I got a nice assortment of colors, and those will be going up on the website very soon. And then I also reordered most of the colors of the Dreamlit shuttles, as well as the Celtic shuttles, because we sold almost completely out of these at the IOLI, International Organization of Lace Ink Convention. So I needed to restock them. So that is what is in my Handy Hands box. And then this is my box from Japan. So they always do a really, really nice job of packing my box. So we are going to take a look in here, and I do have my camera stand at the ready so that I can set my camera there. Alrighty, so here we go. I'm going to get into this and attempt to put the camera on, so just hang on a moment and hopefully everything will be okay. Alright, we're gonna do this. Maybe. Oh, I don't know. Well, we'll see how long this holds. I apologize. Oh, there it goes. I apologize if the camera decides to go walkabout. I am attempting to control it, but keep my hands free so I can get both of them in here. So first, I'm going to take off the packaging, and look what I ordered. I ordered so many new Sashiko kits. Some of them we've had in before, but it's been quite a while. This one I loved, that butterfly bag. This one was also super cute. So this is the cherry blossom pouch. And then I liked this tote bag with kind of the geometric. I forget, I think this is another pouch. Yeah, pinwheel pouch. And then these were pillows. I thought the pillows were super duper cute. I can't remember, so that's in the navy one. So I ordered the navy. And then I have more of the coasters. So many coasters. Hang on while I set these down. I just can't even. Oh, look at this one. I love this little towel. So this one's fun because you can sample all of these different patterns in one bigger piece. And then, oh, super cute. I love these little pouches. So I think this is a 2-pouch set. So, or one's one side, one's the other. I'm not entirely sure. We'll have to dig into that a little more. And then I thought these were really cute. I kind of went a little bit crazy on the Sashiko kits because I was having so much fun with the bunny that I decided that we should really just reorder. And look, the bunny bag! I have this one to make too. So there we go. All of those lovely Sashiko kits. I'm trying to not spill these. Nope, I failed. Let's see. And then we were low on some of the little embroidery kits and more Sashiko. I don't know. I was just going crazy. I was having way too much fun getting all of these in. What can I say? All right, some of those have to go over there. And then let's see. Oh, this is a full set of the clover lace hooks. So it's hard to see in there. I don't want to open it, but this is a full set of the clover lace hooks. So if you like those hooks that have, the nice caps, this is 4, 5, 6, 7 sizes in a nice little carry case. That's what those are. And then these should all be, the Olympus Metallics. So I mostly ordered the Olympus Metallics. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, lovely. And then I restocked. These are fabulous. So these are the Clover Tapestry needles. And then I was very, very low on all of my Sashiko needles. And I needed more of the number 8 and number 12 hooks as well. Oh, yeah. I'm so glad these came in. Those hook shuttles. So, ooh, it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to put all this into inventory. And then, if you haven't seen it yet, I ordered a ton of books. This one is the bobbin lace with fewer bobbins. So that is a bobbin lace book. And then, I don't even know what all I ordered. I'm gonna be very honest. Ooh, Romanian Point Lace. That's the Romanian Point Lace book from Japan. This is crochet, and I think I also ordered a Hardanger embroidery one as well. Sorry guys, I moved this just a little too much. But look at my books. And then what's this one? Oh, this is the Gentle Tatting by Tomoko Morimoto. I don't know if you can see that through the bubble wrap. So that is a tatting book. It's a reprint of one of her other books, but that one's been out of print for a while, so I went ahead and got that one in. Okay, just a moment. I am trying not to spill everything or drop my phone. Let's see. So all of that is going to be the metallic thread. That lovely metallic thread. Just get it out of the way. And then more books. Oh, look at this one. This is fabulous. This is 366 crochet motifs. And then, oh, look how thick that is. That's going to be a good book. Got a little excited. Sorry, guys. No, don't fall over. We can't see the books if you fall. And then we've had this tatting book in the past. And we've had this crochet book in the past. But we were out of them. So I went ahead and got a restock while I still could. Because that's the thing, is that these Japanese books go in and out of print really fast. And then, what else in here? Oh, yes. And then I restocked. So these are the cases. So this case has a whole bunch of these in it. But you get the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So you get almost a full set. The only size that's not in there is, I think, the 14. Don't know that yeah. So the 14 isn't in there, but all of the other sizes are. So anyway, yeah, I restocked all of these lovelies. Oh my, so that was fun. One moment here while I release my phone. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I had a ton of fun unpacking all of that. Look at, oh, the books. We will do a close-up, a little more in-depth look at all of the books later on. But until then, I have to figure out how to get this all packed back in. Look, it's just everywhere. Just came out everywhere. I have to figure out how to get this all packed back into my box. Yeah, so that I can take it downstairs and also get it into inventory.